Botulinum toxin, commonly known as Botox, is a potent neurotoxin produced by the bacterium Clostridium botulinum. It is considered one of the most potent toxins known to humankind. The toxin works by blocking the release of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contraction, leading to paralysis. Here are some key points about botulinum toxin. Potency. Botulinum toxin is extremely potent, with only a tiny amount needed to cause severe poisoning. It is estimated that a single gram of purified toxin could potentially kill millions of people. Types. There are several types of botulinum toxin, classified as type A to G. However, types A, B, E, and rarely F are the ones associated with human diseases. Botulism. Botulinum toxin can cause a severe illness known as botulism when ingested or produced in the body due to infection. The symptoms of botulism include muscle weakness, difficulty speaking and swallowing, blurred vision, respiratory distress, and in severe cases, paralysis and death. Medical uses. Despite its potency, botulinum toxin has various medical applications. It is commonly used for cosmetic purposes to temporarily reduce facial wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, it is used to treat various medical conditions such as muscle spasms, chronic migraines, excessive sweating, hyperhidrosis, and certain eye disorders. Controlled use. Due to its high toxicity, botulinum toxin is classified as a controlled substance, and its production, distribution, and use are strictly regulated. It can only be administered by trained medical professionals who are knowledgeable about its potential risks and benefits. Safety precautions. When used medically, botulinum toxin is injected in very small, controlled doses. However, it is crucial to ensure proper administration and adherence to safety guidelines to minimize the risk of adverse effects or systemic toxicity. It is important to note that while botulinum toxin is highly toxic, it is also a valuable tool in the medical field when used appropriately and under the supervision of qualified professionals.